And become here one of the finest sports journalists at World Krum in terms of I dare me other one became on say follow Ghana Premier League ni pa. And I'm on ni mama na or football na say but once a Krum no sports journalist be ayo say omuri amano but and became here sports journalist eba efisem na osa follow especially community footballs Ghana Premier League no onimde eko na waye recommendation bi ama kotoko say sa player we once kotoko no eto be a player bi bobo baby otimi bo but okofa ne ba kotoko a ehun so emfa but Andy avouch say this particular player former one club no so ba kotoko ade onu ahu no onkoye Emmanuel Kayeke mudie ni bi onkoye Steven Amankona mudie ni bi onkoye the various players o maba kotoko o mantimi ammo or can player no a report to about him, which is Evans Osei-Wusu of Samatex. Currently, one of the best players in the Ghana Premier League Sisiano, Evans Osei-Wusu. Na Samatex no, na video ba ko senior man ba James Massa. Samatex for no dey ya on Africa. And I say Omuji League na on Africa. Na Omuji League na omukobo Africa na. Why no mo fa no nko, mo nton mo player makotoko. But and then emfa ho sa because me sana me follow me nyine no masa player no nimbo a Krom no the best team for you to go no e kotoko so ati ase it is a kotoko obema no good offer me de migiri said despite so player no be call Africa or be call you kotoko so ye heavy yes and the come a buttress saying this particular player Evans Osei-Wusu no obetimi abo kotoko na ono and came so oye in charge of kotoko and I say baby otisisi ano so recommend the players kotoko next season also ombo club na ma krobia he player no he ni physique no Evans Osei-Wusu enti kotoko fo mpanyifo yi we dey edayabam he is one of the best currently in the Ghana Premier League was 10 goals in the Ghana Premier League for Samatex oye clinical utimi on chance yemfa balls or your type of striker on chance yemfa ball no emfeed no nko an utimi commit field work or je ball no ko ye pull out ni bi so on that kind of strikers no let's say ono no work rate esa wo soro eti and come asema a okay kotoko for mpanyifo and am senior citizens am ha we dey edayabemu yenye wat na yensan mukwala kwa sika edi twa mukwala kana sumu inti za mukwala kwa na edi sika na bema local boys na nya baro